All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step trick to be able to make landing pages, proposals for your prospects or clients, and any kind of reports you're really looking to make, and have it be automated in a specific type of way. Now, something that I have done here already is set it up. So we're going to skip that part on my side. But what you want to do for your step one is put in your SOP, your standard operating procedure for exactly what your company is, exactly what you're building, and then how you go about working with clients, working with your content system, anything that you're really doing and working on. So Claude Code is able to understand exactly how you're able to build that. So once that is put into here, into Claude Code, you're able to then make a folder that's really going to be able to pull all the information from. You can make it into a repository or any which way you like. So the first step is putting in the standard operating procedure, which we have done already here. You can even see we have Outbound Alex's YouTube channel and we have everything built out. The next thing you want to do is connect to Netlify. I'm going to spell it here so you can be able to see. This is a site that's going to be able to generate any kind of website from an HTML. You can get it for free and you can be able to generate multiple websites and proposals from links for free. You don't have to be able to pay for a paid for subscription for a little while because there is a lot of room on the free version. So from here, let's say I want to make a proposal for, let's just say Amazon.com for cold email outbound. Use the proposal page I had set up as a template. So Claude Code is going to be able to build this out in a template that I created. So all I did in that scenario was I built out exactly what my standard operating procedure was, told it exactly what I want to be able to give it to be able to find specific things. So for an outbound agency, what I want to be able to do is find exactly what their total addressable market is, every segment within that total addressable market, and then create scripts designed exactly for those. I also want to be able to pull their case studies as well as intent signals, anything that's really going to match up well with exactly how we want to be able to position this. Now, for this example of just doing Amazon, it may be able to pull some different types of intent that we have, but this can really work across any industry you're working with, whether it's B2B SaaS, marketing, B2C, B2B, so on and so forth, where it's really going to find in-depth information that you're really going to want to work with. So you can see here, we just have it loading in and it's going into different specifics of exactly what it's pulling. So you can see here that it has the Dream One, has different things that it's pulling from this with complete strategies, as well as my typical pitch from Senra. So this is going to be able to load in the information here. All right, so as you see, this is the site that it was able to generate using my cold email outbound proposal and using Senra that I have for my cold email outbound agency. So you can see goes into specific types of exactly who we want to reach out to. So it goes into the specific pitch that we have here, as well as going into the approach of the target list, layering intent signals, send personalized sequences, and then exactly what we want to be able to target for Amazon, as well as some examples of some build outs that we have for scripting. So this is what we show within the prospecting of intent signals and real time. So we find 14 active meta ads, 0 Amazon sponsored products, and what the priority is for each outreach. So this is something that was just spun up in 5 minutes based on the information that I taught it and goes into full detail of the exact type of people that we want to be reaching out to and different types of tiers of what urgency we want to be able to reach out to them with. Then goes into the exact pitch of what I've created and then even has a schedule a call link. So this is a full setup of exactly how you can be able to set up any kind of landing page, proposals. This could even be a lead magnet for any leads that come in for your specific outbound, where you're giving them a full pitch of their exact research that you found based on their company that Claude Code is able to put out specific to exactly who you want to target. So try using this in Claude Code, recommend it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comments, or if you want to be able to see a step-by-step guide of how we can be able to do this, feel free to check out what we have below in the link as well.